Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll dive into a vital aspect of life for the people of North Korea: agriculture. Farming is not just the backbone of the economy but also a reflection of the culture, patience, and unity of the people here. Join us as we explore the fascinating agricultural lands of North Korea, from planting to harvest, and the lives of those bound to the land. North Korea, with a history stretching back thousands of years, has always been a nation deeply tied to agriculture. From ancient times, farming played a crucial role in shaping society, family structures, and the culture of this land. The vast rice fields sprawling across the southern plains, known as the country's rice basket, have existed for centuries and form the heart of traditional agriculture. Over the centuries, North Korean farmers developed traditional farming methods based on a profound understanding of the land and the weather. Techniques such as irrigation, crop rotation, and the use of organic fertilizers have helped boost food production, even under harsh conditions. However, with the rise of the modern state and centralized control, North Korean agriculture has undergone significant changes. Today, collective farming is the dominant form of agriculture. Farms are no longer privately owned by individual families. Instead, they are part of large cooperatives or collective farms. This is a unique characteristic of North Korea's political and social system, where all resources are shared to ensure survival and collective growth. A typical day for a North Korean farmer begins early, just as the sun rises. In the rural areas, people wake up to prepare their tools and head to the fields. On collective farms, people work in groups, each with specific tasks, from plowing, sowing seeds, to watering and caring for each crop. Every farming season is a major challenge for the farmers, as North Korea's weather is extremely harsh. Long, snow-filled, freezing winters are followed by short, hot, and humid summers. To cope with these conditions, the farmers have developed specialized farming techniques that allow crops to thrive despite the weather extremes. Rice, potatoes, corn, and soybeans are the most commonly grown crops. Rice is primarily cultivated in the plains, while potatoes and corn are planted in the northern mountainous regions. Each crop requires different techniques and care, but all of them reflect the patience and relentless effort of the farmers. An interesting aspect of farming in North Korea is the extensive use of organic fertilizers and traditional farming methods. Due to limited access to modern technology and agricultural supplies, the farmers must rely on natural methods, utilizing every available resource from the environment. They use animal manure, leaves, and even organic waste as fertilizer to improve the soil and increase crop yields. When the harvest season arrives, the entire rural community joins in the work. During these moments, the sense of neighborly care and communal unity is on full display. People work together, sharing tasks and helping each other harvest the crops. Traditional harvesting tools, like sickles and knives, are still widely used in many areas. Harvesting takes place in phases, starting with the vast rice fields, followed by areas planted with corn, potatoes, and beans. After the harvest, the crops are transported to collective storage facilities, where the government redistributes food to different regions of the country. A significant portion of the crops is reserved for the military and government agencies, while the rest is shared among the people. One unique aspect of collective farms is that not only adults but also children participate in the harvest. This is not only a way to help their families, but also an opportunity for the younger generation to understand the value of agricultural work and develop a love for the land. In this way, the spirit of labor and community awareness is nurtured from a young age. Despite numerous challenges, the people of North Korea continue to persevere. harsh natural conditions, resource and technology shortages, and difficulties in accessing modern farming methods are major obstacles they face. However, through patience and resilience, North Korean farmers find ways to adapt and improve productivity. Land and water management strategies are optimized. Crop rotation and the use of natural fertilizers help protect the land from degradation. In areas with limited water, simple but effective irrigation systems are installed. Additionally, the North Korean government implements support measures to ensure that people have enough food during difficult times. Fair food distribution policies and assistance from international organizations also play a crucial role in maintaining food stability for the population. Agriculture is not just daily labor, but also the heart of social life in North Korea. For rural people, crops and harvests symbolize hope for the future, providing the means to support families and communities. They work not only for sustenance, but also out of pride and responsibility for the country. During traditional festivals, harvests hold significant spiritual meaning. Thanksgiving ceremonies for the harvest are held to express gratitude for the land and nature. These moments not only bring joy but also offer people a chance to reflect on the fruits of their labor throughout the year. Through this journey exploring the agricultural life in North Korea, we can see that, despite the difficulties and challenges, the people here are resilient, persistent, and deeply connected to their land. Agriculture is not only a means of survival but also a symbol of patience and hope. If you enjoyed this content and want to discover more fascinating stories about life and culture from around the world, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support your YouTube channel name. Share this video with your friends and family to spread these meaningful stories. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.